Hello everyone, welcome to Surya's Easy Maths. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. So, ready for maths class? Yes, let's begin our today's maths class. Our today's topic is data handling. The word data means information of any kind. The number of your books, the favorite color of the students in your class, the number of children who attend the school daily, etc. are all the examples of information. Children, we do data handling to understand the information and confirm if the information is correct or not. For these children, first we have to organize the information, and the collected information is called data, and to organize it is called data handling. For data handling, we need to perform the following steps. First is collection of data. Second is representation of data by using symbols or tables or pictures. Third is representation of data by bar graphs. So today we are going to understand about collection of data and recording of data. It means children, for data handling we first need to collect information. There are different ways of collecting data. Data can be in the form of pictures and numbers. So let us see with an example. Here we have an example. Let us read it first. Mr. Abhijit asked his daughter Yoshika to buy some notebooks, pens, erasers and pencils in the following quantities. Yoshika goes to the bookshop and buys the things. Now she checks the things given in the list to know whether she has bought all the things in the list or not. So let's check whether she has brought all the things properly with the same quantity. So first we will count the erasers. So in the list there are 2 erasers. So here she has bought 2 erasers. Yes, 1 and 2. Now see in the list there are 4 notebooks. So let us check whether 4 notebooks she has bought or not. So 1 notebook, 2 notebook, 3 notebook and 4th notebook. So yes, she has bought correctly. Now see in the list how many pens are there? Yes, 10 pens. So now let us count whether 10 pens she has bought or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So yes, she has bought correctly. Now in the list the next item is pencils. So how many pencils are here? 5. So again let's check whether 5 pencils she has bought or not. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means she has bought correctly. So now after checking the list, Yoshika finds herself satisfied. So children, what we saw here is that she bought the things according to the list, and after buying, she checks all the things with the quantity, where she has bought all the things or not. So here Yoshika has collected information about her stationery things. Now let's see one more example. Children, see here. See in the picture you can see various types of fishes in the aquarium. Yes? Yes, in the aquarium we can see the first fish is of orange color. Yes? Now let's see the another fish. It is of which color? It is of green color. Yes, it is green fish. Now see the next fish. Which color it is? Yes, it is golden fish. Now see the another fish in the aquarium. It is of which color? Yes, it is blue fish. Is there any other color in the aquarium? No. There are 4 types of fishes, that is orange fish, goldfish, blue fish and green fish. So now we have to observe the pictograph. Yes, no children? Now we have to collect the data of this aquarium. So now children, let's observe this and let us collect the data. So which fish can we see first in the aquarium? Yes, it is an orange color. So now let's count all orange fishes from the aquarium. 1, 2 and 3. So we write here number of orange fish is equal to 3. Now let's collect the data of next fish. Which color fish it is? Yes, green fish. So now let's count and see how many green fishes are in aquarium. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 green fishes in the aquarium. So we write number of green fish is equals to 5. Now let's see the next color fish. Which one it is? Yes, it is a goldfish. So let's count and find out the data of goldfishes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore we write number of goldfish is equals to 4. Now last, which fishes remain? Yes, blue fish. So let's collect data of blue fishes also. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore we write number of blue fish is equals to 6. So children, here we have done the collection of data by observing of data. It means children, what we have collected data in an aquarium. In an aquarium there are 3 orange fish, 5 green fish, 4 goldfish and 6 blue fish. So children, here we have collected the data. Yes, now let us record this data. Here we have some questions and we have to read it and answer them from the collected data. So here let us read first question. Which fish are least in number? So now observe which fish are least in number, which means least means less. So observe the number which is less number, it is 3. So which color it is? Yes, orange fish. Therefore we write answer as orange fish are least in number. Now see the next question. Write the number of goldfish. We have collected the number of goldfish. Yes. So how many they are? They are 4. So we write answer as 4 goldfish. Now let's see third question. Which are more, blue fish or green fish? So children, see the data which we collected. How many blue fishes are there in it? It is 6. Now see green fishes, how many they are? They are 5. So which is more, 6 or 5? Yes, 6. So 6 are blue fishes. Therefore, we write answer as blue fishes are more. Now let's see the last question. How many fishes are there in all? In all means children, we have to add all number of fishes. So now let's count all fishes together, that is orange fishes are 3 and green fishes are 5. So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Now in this 8 we will add 4 gold fishes. So 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. Now in this 12 fishes we will add 6 blue fishes. So 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. Therefore we write answer as 18 fishes are there in all. So now children, I hope that you all have understood the meaning of data handling and how to observe the data, how to do collection of data, and how to record data. If you like this video, then please press on like button and also give your valuable comments. And don't forget to subscribe Surya's Easy Maths. And please press on bell icon for more notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.